Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class we will see solutions for exercise 2.1. In that first main, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equals to order pair 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Find the values of x and y. In my previous class I have already told that if two order pairs are said to be equal, order pair equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ suppose x1 y1 equal to x2 y2 ಇದ್ರೆ condition ಏನು? This implies the corresponding first element and corresponding second elements must be equal. This implies what x1 equals to x2 and y1 equals to y2. So this is how we have solved this question. So first element is x by 3 plus 1 is equals to what? 5 by 3. Already they have given these two order pairs are equal. So solution. So equating the corresponding element, x by 3 plus 1 equals to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 equals to what? 1 by 3. Second element. Just find the value of x. Transfer this one to that side. This implies x by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. Plus 1 आगे transfer minus 1 नहीं convert आगता है. So this implies x by 3 equals to take LCM then simplify. ये कटे तो 3 multiply आगता है 5 1 into 3 3 divided by 3. Here is the answer. This implies continue ಮಾಡಿದೆ x by 3 equal to 5 minus 3 2 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. X equal to what? 2. X value is 2. Okay. Then y value. So y in the transfer is minus 2 by 3 to this side. This becomes y equal to 1 by 3 minus it will convert agi plus agata. Plus 2 by 3. LHS term minus है RHS के transfer order plus agata. So this equals to what? Y equals to denominator same number है. Directly add the numerator. Denominator number same है. Add the numerator 1 plus 2, that is y equals to 3 by 3. Therefore 3 cancel again, y equals to 1. Therefore x equal to and y equal to 1. Second one. If the set A has 3 elements, if a set A has 3 elements and the set B equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. Here we have to find the number of elements in A cross B. Already formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. We know that. Solution again. We know that n of A cross B equals to yesterday class ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. n of A cross B equals to what formula ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? n of A into n of B. Okay. What they have given? Given n of A. Already A has 3 elements. So n of A equals to 3 and n of B. What is the number of elements in set B? Set B has elements 1, 2, 3. So number of elements in set B equals what? 3. Now, number of elements in A cross B equal to formula is already n of A into n of B. N of A value is 3 into n of B value 3. So this equals to 9. Therefore, number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B equals to 9. Okay. Note down this. Next, third question. If set G equal to 7, 8 and set H equal to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. Means Cartesian product of G and H and H and G. Okay, fine. Solution. First one, G cross H equal to, first set is G, write a set G, 7, 8, Cartesian product, H, 5, 4, 2. Okay. Cartesian product ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? First fix the element of G. ಈ 7 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 7 5 ಇದು 7 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ 7 4 7 2. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 8 8 5 8 4 8 2. So this is our G cross H. Okay. Similarly find and H cross G. H is the first set is H. 5 4 2 Cartesian product. H is 7 8. First layer ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 5 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first set ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5 fix 5 7 5 8 complete the next go for 4 4 7 4 8 next 2 7 2 8. So this is H cross G. Clear? Now down. Next, fourth question. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Here they have given some statement. We have to check that these statements are true or false. If the statement is false, we have to rewrite the statement correctly. Okay. So first one is if set P equal to Mn and set Q equal to Nm, then P cross Q equal to order pair Mn and order pair Nm. So already we know that n of P cross Q equal to what? N of P into n of Q. So n of P is 2 ಇದೆ. N of Q is 2 ಇದೆ. Number of elements. So ಎಷ್ಟು total ಆಗಿ 4 ಆಗಬೇಕು. But elements ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Only they have given 2. But exact number of elements ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? N of P cross Q set ಅಲ್ಲಿ there must be 4. That's why this statement is false. False. Because P cross Q equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ P cross Q what is set P is Mn cross Q is Nm. ನೋಡಿ M fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ Mn next mm ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬನ್ನಿ n next nm. So this is P cross Q. So the red element is. So this is false. Next, if A and B are non-empty sets such that A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs x, y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Yes, already have given if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set. Obviously, you have to set in a non-empty there. So now you have to non-empty there. A cross B is elements. So it is non-empty. Set of ordered pairs x, y such that always the first element. This first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second. This is the definition of a Cartesian product. So this is true. This is the definition of Cartesian product. Okay, this is true. Next third one. If set A equal to 1 2, set B equal to 3 4, then A cross B intersection null set equal to null set. A cross B intersection null set equal to null set. Okay, we will check this one. What is B intersection null set? B intersection null set anagate. No common elements between B and null set. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎ ಇಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ this statement is true. Okay, not wrong. Next, fifth question. If a set A equal to minus 1 1, find A cross A cross A. So first to find A cross A cross A, first we have to find what is A cross A. Okay, solution. A cross A equal to, so set A is minus 1 1, Cartesian product, again set A minus 1 1, fix is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, next minus 1 1, next complete item, next 1 minus 1 1 1. This is A cross A. Next A cross A cross A forward, this one A cross A cross A. Already we have A cross A. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 cross again set A. This equals to mapping mode. Minus 1 is fixed mode. After element map again minus 1, 3 elements. Okay, minus 1 1. Clear? Next this is fixed mode. Element complete. This is fixed mode. Minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 again 1. Next this one 1 minus 1 again minus 1. Next 1 minus 1 1. Next fix is a fixed one for it. 1 1 minus 1. Next 1 1. So this is A cross A. Clear? Next, if A cross B equal to order pair AX, AY, BX, BY, find A and B. Here they have given A cross B and we have to find set A and B. Already we know that first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. So set A equal to first element A. The first set in A. So first element always belongs to first set. A already ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, don't repeat the elements. B already there. So this is our set A. Then set B equal to second element. Set B is the second element, second set. So second element belongs to set B. Second element is X. Actually Y. Next already is there. Y is there. So this is set A and set B. This is how we write set A and set B. Okay, note down. Next, seventh question. Let set A equal to 1 2, set B equal to 1 2 3 4, set C equal to 5 6, and set D equal to 5 6 7 8. Verify that first one A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, and second one we have to check that A cross C means Cartesian product of A and C is subset of Cartesian product of B and D. Okay, we should check the first one. Solution. First one. So LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C. Okay, what is set A? Set A is 1 2. Cartesian product. What is B intersection C? B intersection C. Intersection are common elements in set B and set C. Common elements in the set B with the set C nalli No common elements means null set. No common elements, null set. So Cartesian product ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Cartesian product ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು elements ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So this is also null set. Either you can write like this or null set. Okay. RHS. We will check RHS. Before going to check RHS, you have to find the Cartesian product of A and B and Cartesian product of A and C. Okay? Find Cartesian product of A and B. Set A is 1, 2 and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Cartesian product ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1, 1, 1, 2 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Next 2, 1, 2 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So this is A cross B. Next find A cross C. So set A is 1, 2 cross set C is 5, 6. Cartesian product 1 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1, 5, 1, 6, 2 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 2 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2, 5, 2, 6. So these are the elements in A cross C. Now we have to find them. Now RHS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ RHS equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. We have to check this one. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A cross B and A cross C ನಲ್ಲಿ check the common elements in A cross B and A cross C. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ 1, 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ 1, 6 no 2, 5, 2, 6. So no common elements, no common order pairs in Cartesian product of A and B and A and C. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ so no. So this is also what null set. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, called as equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. I will verify. Next we have to check that A cross C is subset of B cross D and check ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So already A cross C check ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So A cross C is solution for this. A cross C equals to write on that. Direct ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ. A cross C already ಇದೆ. 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. And we have to find the B cross D. B cross D find ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. B cross D equal to what is set B 1, 2, 3, 4 cross D is 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross product and F1. Fix this one and map to all the elements of D. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. And next 2 fix one. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Next 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. You have 4 fix one. 4 fix one. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. ನೋಡಿ ಸೆಟ್ A cross C ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ B cross D ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1, 5, 1, 5 is there 1, 6, 1, 6 next 2, 5, 2, 5 next 2, 6, 2, 6. Yes, all the elements of A cross C are also the elements of B cross D. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay, so therefore A cross C is subset of B cross D. Yes. Solution you know. Therefore, A cross C is a subset of B cross D, because all the elements of A cross C are also the elements of B cross D. Okay. Now down. Next, 8th question. Let set A equal to 1, 2 and set B equal to 3, 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? First we have to find the Cartesian product of A and B, and we have to check how many subsets will Cartesian product of A and B have, and we have to list them. Okay. Solution. First we have to find A cross B. So what is A cross B? 3, 4. Okay, write down A cross B. One perfect again. Map ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, 3, 1, 4. Next one 2, 3, 2, 4. So n of, therefore n of A cross B equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. And they have asked how many subsets will Cartesian product of A and B have? How many subsets this set have? So we know that the formula to find number of subsets for a set A. Already sets power set. N of P of A equal to what? 2 to the power N of A. Power set sets theory. Number of elements in means number of possible subset for set A equals to what formula? N of P of A equal to 2 to the power N of A. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A plus A cross B ಇದೆ. Therefore N of, right now, number of subset formula we know that N of P of A cross B ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ N of P cross A equal to formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2 to the power N of A cross B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this equals to what? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 2 to the power N of A cross B ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4. So 2 to the power 4 equals to what? 16. So total number of subsets. Therefore total number of subsets for A cross B equals to 16. Total number of subsets for Cartesian product of A and B equals to 16. And we have to list out those 16 subsets. Okay. So total number of subsets for Cartesian product A and B equals 16, and these are the subsets of A cross B. Okay. List out these. So final set A cross B and null set. You include RTL. So these are also the subsets of A cross B. Okay. List out these all 16. Next, 9th question. Let A and B are the two sets such that n of A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2. If x1, y2 and z1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y and z are distinct elements. Distinct means different elements. They are not equal elements. Solution. They are given x1, y2 and z1 are in A cross B, means they are given x1, y, 2 and z, 1 belongs to A cross B. Okay, already we know that in order pairs, first elements belongs to first set and second elements belongs to second set. Therefore, set A and first element is x, y, z. These are different elements. Next, set B ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ set B second elements 1 set 2 1 already ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ, so don't repeat the elements. So this is set A and set B. So number of elements in set A equals what? 1 2 3 2 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Number of elements in set B is 2. So this is our set A and B. Okay, note down. Next 10th question. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Among 9 elements which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. First we have to find set A. Set A found ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ solution. What they have given? -1, 0 and 0, 1. These two order pairs belongs to A cross A. Or A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found these two. Okay. This implies, already we know that first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. But here both the sets are A only. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, that's why set A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ -1, 0, 1. Is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ A cross A ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ -1, 0 and 1. So this is the set A. Clear ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Next we will find the remaining elements of A cross A. Before going to find remaining of elements of A cross A, first find A cross A. So what is A cross A? A cross A equal to set A is -1, 0, 1. Cross set again, set A is -1, 0, 1. Okay, right? A cross A. -1 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. -1, -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1. Next 0, 0, -1. Next 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 1 fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is our A cross A. Already they have given -1, 0 and 0, 1. So leave those elements. The remaining elements of A cross A are -1, 1, -1, -1, 1. Next 0, -1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So these are the remaining elements of A cross A. Clear? Now done.